Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective. Before I start, I want to say that I am a fan of many YouTube channels. Two of them that I find just immensely entertaining to watch are Lockpicking Lawyer and LockLab, aka BosniaBill. So much so that I actually have a small collection of locks that I had around the house, and I bought a cheap set of lockpicks, and I've been having lots of fun just experimenting and learning. And that brought me to this. As many of you will know, the docking stations on most ThinkPads do have a lock. And I was really curious to know how easy would it be with basic tools from a complete novice, such as myself, to pick the lock in one of these docking stations. So as you can see, I do have the keys, and I've gone ahead and locked it up so I cannot eject the laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and prop this up so hopefully you can get a good look at the lock. And I've got my pick and turning tool that I'll be using. So this is a standard wave rake and then just a very, very basic turning tool. So I'm going to insert the pick first just because I don't have a whole lot of room to work. And then I'm going to insert the turning tool underneath, apply a little bit of tension, there we go. We've got this open. I'm now the proud owner of an X220. But just to make sure, I want to see if I can do it any quicker on a second attempt. So we're going to go ahead and lock that back up. And I'm going to try to see if there's a bit more room for a different style of turning tool known as a Z-bar. So we're going to put that in the bottom, apply some tension, insert the pick. Oh, there we go. Even faster that time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, while this would obviously deter a very, very casual thief of opportunity, you probably don't want to trust that cord to actually secure your laptop. At any rate, I hope you've enjoyed the video. It was fun to make, a bit of a homage to those two channels that I mentioned earlier. And yeah, I will see you next time.